This is bad, dog. This is bad. I know I lost marks from simple questions, dog. I lost marks now. Hey, man, nigga talk all say, man. Hey, man, that nigga, man. Hey, man. Hey, you even want to see him? Can't get my tongue, man. No. Hey, man. Nah, I failed. I wouldn't do that, dog. After failing, I wouldn't do that. Imagine I get to now go say with 36%, come right at Romy 6. Romy say everything. Nah, dog, nah, not me. Easy marks. I could have aced this, eh? Could have aced it, man. Eish, man, nah. How much did you get? How much did I get? Man, I failed, man. Just know that I failed. Alright, I lost 18 marks now. So this is 82%.